1. What do you mean? 2. I never heard about that. 3. Where have you been? 4. Where were we? 5. Let it be. 6. I have no idea.
What do you mean? इसका सा मतलब दे. I never heard about that. मारा देव बारा केस नहीं जाऊरी दिले. Where have you been? The chartavi. Where were we? Mung chartavu. Let it be. Predawa. I have no idea. Mata es ilam nishto.
7. No idea. 8. Have you ever heard about it? 9. He is my best friend. 10. Be patient. 11. He is furious with me. 12. Have you ever been to Malton?
No idea. Mata es ilam nishto. Have you ever heard about it? Tara dev bara ke sauri dili. He is my best friend. आगा ज़मा बेहतरीन दोस्त है. Be patient. सबर वका. He is furious with me. आगा माता पर गुस्सा के दे. ज़माना खपा दे. Have you ever been to Multan? तजरत मुल्तान ततले.
13. Not at all. 14. This is your job. 15. I don't think so. 16. No mean no. 17. Be ready.
Not at all. बिल्कुल ना. This is your job. दस्ता सो कार दे. I do not think so. दस्ती नशिकी दे. ज़मा दा ख्याल ना दे. नज़े नशिकी दे. No mean no. No मतलब दे बिल्कुल ना. Be ready. तैयार हो सा.
18. I have no time. 19. Wait outside. 20. Here it is. 21. What is the time? 22. Time please. 23. What is the day today?
I have no time. ज़मा सर टाइम निश्ता दे. Wait outside. बाहर इंतज़ार होगा. Here it is. दा वाखला. What is the time? सा टाइम दे. Time please. Time रहता हुआ है. What is the day today? नंदा सवरज़ दा.
24. Today please. 25. Please make yourself comfortable. 26. Take rest please. 27. Take your time, no worry sir.
Today please. Nanda Saurazda. Please make yourself comfortable. Zan khabilkul chikam de damaka. Take rest please. Damawaka. Take your time, no worry sir. Paltim wakhla. Samasala nishta.